We, Kazakhs, like other cultural groups, have inherited various forms of entertainment and games from our forefathers. As you will observe, most of these cultural forms were based on life situations and national peculiarities, and their intent was to teach succeeding generations to be healthy, strong, brave, smart, and observant. Entertainment is one of the branches of Kazakh national culture. Here I will briefly describe some of them. On the first picture you can see the game called Kız Kuu, or Catch the Girl. In the next picture you can see the one type of our hunters with berkut, or in English it's eagle. The third one is, in the third picture you can see logical game called Toğuz Kumalak. So it's more looks like chess. And the fourth picture you can see game called Kokpar. Kokpar. Mm, Now let me tell about the most famous Kazakh entertainments. Baige. Because of the fact that our ancestors were nomads, I cannot avoid from telling about the horse race. In Kazakh it's called Baige. Many Kazakh festivals are accompanied with horse competition. Baiga is one of the most popular. There are different kinds of baiga depending on the length of a distance of a horse race. A rider driving a horse and regulating its speed at all distance must be the first to lead the horse to the finish. Alaman baiga, a horse race at long and great distance, 25, 50 or 100 kilometers, is one of the ancient kinds of contests. One of the favorite and popular kinds of sport contest of the Kazakh is Kazakhsha Krös, or if translate word by word, it's called Kazakh wrestling. Until present time, Kazakh Krös accompanies many traditional Kazakh people's holidays. Traditionally, a costume for a wrestler consists of a dressing gown, shapan, belt and soft footwear, masa. Before the beginning of 20th century, in Kazakh Krös didn't exist a division into weight classes. Wrestling was held on the principle who is stronger, that is winner. The aim of single combat is to throw an adversary on his back. Since wrestling is allowed only standing on the feet, the single combat is stopped after one of the wrestlers will be put on the carpet by his adversary. At present, Kazakh Krös is recognized in many countries of the world. In 2000 was published a code of rules of Kazakh Krös in Kazakh, Russian and English language. In December of the same year in Astana was held first national championship on Kazakh Krös. Here I would like to tell about our famous wrestler in our history. His name was Mukan. He was the champion of the Russia, Japan, Korean, and at the end he was the champion of the world. One of the favorite entertainments of Kazakh children was and remains a traditional game asik. Asik is a bone from sheep or ram's knee joint, which sometimes colored in different colors. Depending on its size, asik has different value. Every participant of the game must have his own sakha. The aim of the game is throwing his own sakha to beat out asiks of the playing participants, putting into a round. Who manages to do it takes the beaten out asik for himself. The game continues till asik remains on the kitty. The game develops the sharp shooting of the children. That's all that I want to tell about you today, and thank you for your attention. Next time I will prepare better, and you can give me any idea or any topics that you want to hear about Kazakhstan. Thank you for your attention.